Hello, welcome back to PSA 2 Model 1 Network Model Formulation topic. So next topic is incidence matrix. So we are going to calculate two matrices. One is element node incidence matrix A cap and bus incidence matrix A. How do we calculate element node incidence matrix? The incidence of elements to the node in a connected graph is shown by element node incidence matrix. So if we are taking the element node incidence matrix element Aij is equal to -1, that indicates if the ith element is incident to and oriented towards jth node. Okay, if ith element incident to jth node and oriented towards jth node, then we have to take -1. If ith element is incident to and oriented away from the jth node, then we have to take +1. Okay, oriented away from the jth node. And if ith element is not incident to jth node, then we have to take Aij is equal to 0, where Aij is a element of the matrix or matrix element. Okay, the dimension of the matrix is E cross N. Okay, so here row we are going to write the node numbers and elements. Here column has a elements. Let us take so we have 7 elements. Okay, 5 nodes 0 1 2 3 4. Let us take first element. The first element is incident to node 0 and node 1. Incident to node 0 but away from node 0, so we have to take it +1. Okay, and towards incident to node 1 but towards node 1, so it has to be -1. And element 1 is not incident to node 2, not incident to node 3, not incident to node 4. Okay, let us take second element. Second element is incident to node 0, okay, as well as node 2. Okay, but it is away from node 0. Okay, so we have to take it as +1. Towards node 2, so we have to take -1. Okay, so it is not incident to node 3, not incident to node 4 and not incident to node 1. Okay, so take it as 0. Take third element which is incident to node 0 and node 4. Okay, which is incident to node 0 and node 4. But it is away from node 0, so we have to take it as +1. And towards 4, so take it as -1. Rest all are 0 because it is not incident to node 1, node 2, node 3. Okay, let us take fourth element. Fourth element is incident to node 4 as well as node 3. Okay, node 4 as well as node 3. Okay, it is away from 4, so it should be +1. And it is going toward 3, so it has to be +1. Sorry, -1. So rest all are 0 because it is not incident to node 0 or node 1 or node 2. Okay, so we will take fifth element. Fifth element is connected between 2 and 3, so it is incident to node 2 and incident to node 3. Incident to node 2 and incident to node 3, but it is away from 2, so it has to be +1. Towards 3, so -1. Rest all are 0 because it is not incident to node 0, not incident to node 1, not incident to node 4. Okay, sixth element which is between 1 and 2. 1 and 2, away from 1, so +1. Okay, towards 2, so it is -1. Okay, rest all are 0 because it is not incident to node 0, node 2, node 3, node 4. And seventh element which is connected between 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay, so it is away from 2. Okay, it should be plus 1. Towards 4, it should be minus 1. This is the element node incidence matrix A cap. Let us know the properties of the A cap. The first property, the sum of the row becomes 0. Okay, take any row, the sum of the row becomes 0. Plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 minus 1, everywhere, every row has plus 1 minus 1. So sum of the row becomes 0. Each row contains 2 non-zero entries. One is 1, okay, another one is minus 1. The rank of the matrix is n minus 1. Okay, the rank of A cap matrix is n minus 1. Since the summation of Aij is equal to 0, okay, Aij is the element of the matrix is 0. The column of A cap are linearly independent. Hence, the rank of A cap is less than n, that is n minus 1, where I is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to total number of elements. Okay, this is ith element and this is jth node. The bus incidence matrix, which is represented by A. The matrix can be obtained from A cap. So here we have A cap by deleting the column corresponding to the reference node, okay, or 0th node, which is also called the element bus incidence matrix, and one more name is bus incidence matrix. The dimension of this matrix is E cross n minus 1. The rank of this is n minus 1, which is equal to number of tree branches, correct? So this is tree branches is equal to n minus 1, which is also equal to rank, where B is number of branches, n is number of nodes. So in order to get a bus incidence matrix, what we have to do? The column corresponding to 0th node or reference node we have to delete and write as it is. Okay, so if we delete the 0th column, the matrix becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, and 0, 0, minus 1, plus 1, and 0, plus 1, minus 1, 0, plus 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, plus 1, 0, minus 1. So we are going to divide it. Okay, here we are going to divide it. This is for n cross n matrix. This is B cross n minus 1 matrix. Okay, this matrix is called AB. AB is a tree branch matrix. Okay, this is a tree branch matrix, and the order of the matrix, this matrix is link cross n minus 1. Okay, so this is AL, this is AB. AL is link branch matrix. Okay, this is tree branch matrix and this is link branch matrix. So total order of the matrix E cross n minus 1. Okay, the rank of the matrix is n minus 1. Okay, that is equal to tree branch.